I'm your host Jeremy. This is Lingo Yes. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to say "for your information" in Chinese. For your information, FYI, is used pretty frequently when you're texting the other people, right? But how to say this one in Chinese, I'm gonna teach you. For your information, for is 为了 your information 你的信息 but we have a better expression for your information that is 给您看一下 directly into 为了你的信息 That's not how we say it. You say 给您看一下 It's like 给您 gave to you 看一下 have a look. So it's like for your information is like give it to you, have a look. So you have a general idea of what I'm talking about, right? So that is for your information. Let me give you some examples. This is his profile. For your information, 给您看一下，这是他的简历。给您看一下，这是他的简历。So it's like, oh, I gave this his profile to you, so you can have a look. That is his profile. For your information, that is his profile. 给您看一下。For your information, he's coming tomorrow afternoon. 让您知道一下，他明天下午过来。让您知道一下，他明天下午过来。So in this case, you don't say 给您看一下 because he doesn't really have a look, right? Because he doesn't really look at any paper or screens. Because you're just telling him for information. 让您知道一下，让您知道一下。让您 means let you. 知道一下 is like know about it. So 让您知道一下 is I'll let you know about it, let you know information about it. That is also for your information. Now you learn two expressions to say for your information. The first one is 给您看一下. If you want to give to your boss, give it to your colleagues, give it to your friends, some information they have to look, you can translate for your information into 给您看一下. The second expression is 让您知道一下. It's like you're not giving them a piece of paper or a screen to look at, just telling them a simple news. So in this case, you can say 让您知道一下. I should let you know about it. Next time, if you want to express the meaning definition of for your information, you can say 让您知道一下 or 给您看一下. To remember, use 给您看一下 or 让您知道一下 in the right condition. If you like our program, please Google Lingo Yes and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.